Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to go to something which is I think is very important if you are like a vlogger, if you have like a small business, and if you have like videos on YouTube and you want those to be shared on all those social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. I did on the previous tutorial how you can share on LinkedIn. Today I'm gonna do for Twitter. The thing is, when you upload a video on YouTube, you can actually have a flow which will go automatically on Twitter. But this is about how you can schedule a flow at any time wanted by you to be shared on Twitter, and how you can do that actually with image and link and hashtags. Today I'll show you how you can do that. Let's start. So friends, what we want to do is to create a flow where our post from YouTube, our videos will be shared automatically on Twitter. So for that we need to create like a schedule flow. We will name this share on Twitter. We'll leave the date of today and 10 o'clock. It's perfect to me. It's just a test purpose. Then we choose, for example, I want this to be shared every week, and I want once or maybe twice. I guess I lived once, and I want to be shared on Wednesdays, for example. And once I created the recurrence, the next step will be to create the extra step of getting the picture, because if you want to share only the link will look in a different way. If you want to let's say have a picture as well, will be in a different look. I will show you how this will look. So for example, this from here, it's only the video, so the link, and this from here, it's with the picture, the link, and the hashtags on Twitter. Okay, so we want in this way, because if I'll just do like a small check on Twitter, I can see that many people, they do the same thing. So this has a little bit text, has a little bit the link, and after that the picture, and so on. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we say here get file, so we ask to get the file basically. So get the file content from OneDrive, because I uploaded a picture on OneDrive, and this is my picture. Okay, so this is YouTube picture. So get the file. Now the next step is Twitter. So we type there Twitter, and we say post a tweet. Okay, so what we're gonna do here now, we say, obviously we go first on YouTube, we choose a video, and obviously I will choose, so for example, I will just choose this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will just get the link, and then I will copy the link on tweet text. So I can put some text also, but for example, I can say there, maybe at the beginning, like I saw something on here on this tweet. So watch now. This person was putting here watch now, so I can put there watch now. Okay, and link, and then let's say I'll put some hashtags, or maybe not, but you can include here as well some hashtags. And then when you go to media, you will see here the file content. So we'll get the file, the picture, which we directed, you know, the flow to go in this picture, and to get this picture actually, and next to get that file, that content, and to include in our post. So now if I'll say save, and the next step will be test. So I'll just perform a trigger test. Okay, I'll run the flow, and then, oh, I got something there, an error. Oh yeah, I know I have a problem, and that is because I didn't choose correctly my Twitter account. So I'll just choose my correct Twitter account, and now I perform the trigger, and that will we'll go run, done, and should be successful this time. First 2 steps there successfully, the third one is successfully. So now if I'll go on Twitter and I'll just click refresh there, maybe I'll click on my account, I can see here, watch now, YouTube link, and obviously if you can put the hashtags and the picture. And in this way, you can share on Twitter your videos from YouTube at a scheduled hour each day or whatever day you want to do that. I hope this is helpful. If it's helpful, please subscribe. And the next thing will be how you can post your videos on Instagram. Thank you.